I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the VM files and Virtualbox state. Make sure your Virtualbox version supports the OVF/OVA format. Mismatches cause import errors. Inspect the archive for OVA or OV plus disk files and ensure you have sufficient disk space. Once done, open Virtualbox and choose File Import Appliance to start. This step triggers validation and lets Virtualbox read configuration details before you change anything. You now walk through the import wizard and focus on critical mappings. When the appliance details appear, adjust CPU and RAM to fit your host. Leaving defaults can cause performance or boot issues. Select the destination storage controller, and if offered, convert disk formats for compatibility. This can change I/O performance. Also update network adapter settings and MAC addresses to prevent collisions on your network. Once satisfied, click Import to transfer files and apply the configuration. You finish by powering on the imported VM and observing boot behavior. Pay attention to driver warnings and network initialization messages. Install guest editions to enable shared folders and better graphics. This resolves many post-import usability issues. If the VM won't boot or services fail, shut it down and check Virtualbox logs. Then try re-exporting the appliance or matching Virtualbox versions. A common fix is recreating the OVA from the source hypervisor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.